Hi, I'm Vashti, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management.
Christine Paduhinag. I am a Bachelor of Arts in Psychology student.
Christian Robbie Vivillones, a fourth-year student studying BSIT major in Business Analytics.
Dea Angelica Viray, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Social Studies.
John Patrick M. Marasigan,
Rizalian Invader.
Former President of the Rizalian Psychological Society and a college affiliate of the Philippine Mental Health Association.
Former President of Young Educators Society.
Rizalian Ambassador, also a member of Rizalian Campaign Heroes.
The year that I got a courtside reporter representing JRU sa NCAA, syempre, first year college lang ako noon. So, sa isip ko, wow, big opportunity to. But then, hindi naman ako pinabayaan ng marketing. Pagkatapos noon, marami ng tasks yung dumating.
I represented the university in the International Model United Nations. Also, I presented the paper in the International Multidisciplinary Congress.
It was still pre-pandemic times and I had to go to school physically, meet my colleagues physically and my professors physically.
When I became the president, it was the time where I went out of my comfort zone. It was the one that helped me to become more vocal, more social, and of course, interact with new people.
Naging member ako ng org, tsaka yung naging model ako ng school. So, di ko kasi na-expect na magiging part ako ng isang org dahil sa previous schools ko, loner lang ako, dead kid lang ako, so hindi ako napapansin. So, big deal sa akin and stand out para sa akin yung naging part ako ng org, which is yung Rizalian Ambassadors, tsaka yung, recent lang yung Rizalian Campaign Heroes. Pinangarap ko makasama sa mga advertisements or mga tarpaulin sa labas ng school. And ngayon sa college ko siya naranasan, kaya sobrang saya ko.
Every time yung nag-interview or nang-aambush ako ng students or kahit din na sinong faculty, syempre it takes courage para lumapit.
I think this confession might sound controversial, I guess. But to think of it, I might say that JRU really lives up to its core values, being considerate.
The funny stories are usually within Zoom.
During my very first year here at JRU was when we had our PE class. And during that time, we do not really have a schedule for that subject. What they only told us was that our time for that subject was TBA or to be announced. And during that time, we do not really know what TBA means. So all I thought was that, saan ba yung TBA? Saang classroom ba siya or saang lugar ba siya sa JRU?
Tinanong ko sa guard paano ako makapunta sa G63. Sinundan ko naman yung tinuro ng guard, pero nakalimutan ko tumawid sa bridge. Napunta ako sa elementary school building. So sa tapat ng elementary school building, hinahanap ko yung G63, yung pala yung G doon is grade school, yung kay Iskinder.
Hindi ako mapapansin or mahirap makipag-friends kasi syempre university to eh. So parang ganun yung nasa isip ko. But then the marketing team reached out to me, nagbigay ng opportunity, naging invader ako, content creator ako. Nakakatuwa siya kasi yung unang inaakala ko, hindi pala ganun yung magiging Rizalian journey ko.
JRU offered me a La Pluma scholarship. So it's a full scholarship with all, like the books are also paid or reimbursed by the university. So I was like fascinated with scholarship as someone who likes to pursue my college degree.
Majority of my time during my first year was really difficult since I had to basically learn two things at once in 1 year. But again, with the help of my colleagues and of course the professors, I pushed through them okay.
When I first started my college journey here at JRU, I was nervous because who wouldn't be nervous, right? It was my first year. Everything was new faces, new environment. So during that time, my initial fear or my initial concern when I first arrived here at JRU was the fear of making friends. Of course, as a not really social person, you would understand that making friends is kind of difficult, or approaching people was difficult for me.
Yung mala-left out ako dahil yung environment nga, wala ako sa comfort zone ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako makikipaghalubilo ulit sa mga bagong set ng tao. Dahil first time ko, hindi ko rin in-expect na magiging open sila na parang pamilya sa akin na ayun, na hindi ko ma-feel yung mala-left out ako sa university na to.
During my JRU years, the school have taught me to become more responsible. Siyempre, ang daming tasks eh. And then, sa pagiging content creator ko, doon ko nakita na meron palang makikinig nung i-voice out ko, nung ideas, nung feelings. So, isa na din doon siguro yung tinutulungan kasi ako ng school to push forward. Kaya din siguro, I have become willing to help others.
Bukod sa pagiging leader estudyante or bilang parte ng Rizalian Psychological Society, bilang president nila, marami din akong iba't ibang organisasyon na kinalalakan, kagaya na lamang ng mga advocates for human rights, advocates for indigenous people's rights, of course, and women's rights. Kasi isa yun sa mga isyong pinakakaharap ng lipunan natin ngayon.
Joining an organization or being able to join an organization was one of the ways JRU has allowed us to find our inner hero or discover our inner hero.
Na-discover ko yung inner hero ko dahil dun sa org, sa Rizalian Ambassadors. Dahil marami kaming event na hinahandle, so iba't ibang tao rin yung natutulungan namin, like sa maintenance, canteen, other offices, na tumulong sa amin magkaroon ng mas maayos na event, and yung character development din namin as a Rizalian, nag-improve siya sa akin, and yun yung feeling ko nag-boost ng inner hero ko.
As I graduate, siguro, definitely, very proud. As in, hanggang sky siguro yung pagka-proud ko. It's such an honor na naging Rizaliano ako. And naniwala yung school on my capability, abilities, skill. Ang dami kong na-unleash na, ay, hindi ko pala alam na kaya ko siyang gawin. Kasi, naniwala lang ako eh. I just believed that I can. Kasi, hindi naman siya ibibigay sa akin if hindi ko kaya.
Compared to other universities, ito yung nagbigay sa akin ng saya. Mahirap na nga siyang iwanan kasi napamahal na sa akin yung school. Like, parang pamilya ko na talaga.
So, sa future students and to other people, I will be sharing to other people na superb yung quality and super helpful ng mga people around dito sa JRU. I will be sharing to them na JRU have helped me to envision my dreams. And actually, it's a bittersweet feeling na kailangan nating mamaalam. Siyempre, ganun talaga. All things have endings. But my love for JRU will never end.
Thank you nga pala sa Rizalian Ambassadors, sa RCH, sa MCO family, kila Sir Pao, Sir Allen, Sir Josh, Sir Jem, kay Sir Henry, kay Ma'am Monica, kay Sir Vince, kay Ma'am Val, tsaka kay Ma'am Ivory. Thank you din sa mga classmates ko simula first year hanggang fourth year. Dahil sa inyo, naging masaya yung college years ko dito. Kayo din yung dahilan kung bakit hindi ako napaalis sa JRU at napunta sa ibang university.
A big shout out to MCO, to marketing team. And also kay Sir Jem. Ayan, si Sir Jem yung pinaka-manager ng Rizalian Invaders. Dahil kung hindi siguro niya ako na-search, I wouldn't be getting all the opportunities, the knowledge na mostly natutunan ko talaga kasama yung marketing team. Lahat sila na bumubuo. Gusto ko silang ipag-thank you kasi lahat ng meron akong skills ngayon, yung mga editing, videography, photography, nakuha ko din yun sa kanila. So, I want to thank all of them.
Sa family ko, sa parents ko na nagsumikap para makagraduate ako dahil hindi biro ang pag-aaral dahil meron tayong mga binabayaran, pero nairaos ng magulang ko kaya sobrang thankful ako para sa kanila.
Bye-bye!
nakakaiyak.